What is going on? I am back again with another one, and today I have the Jordan 1 UNC toes. Being the UNC colorway, it does come in as a nice blue box. It is the UNC blue with the black Nike swoosh logo on the top, on the sides. I've had my eye on these since the first time I saw them. Let's get this box out of the way. And here they are. Here are the sneakers themselves. And you know, I've seen a lot of pictures, man, a lot of videos of these online. A month ago, you know, people started posting. I'm not entirely sure where and how and who is getting these so early. And I've seen videos, man. I've seen pictures, a lot of them. But I gotta tell you guys, man, they look a lot better in hand than they did on the pictures and the videos. The color is just, the color is amazing. All right, some people said the tone of the blue is slightly different than what we've previously seen on these UNC colorways. But you know, I don't give a man. I mean, these look amazing. These look just right, in my opinion. Right, not too bright, not too dark. I think this blue is just fantastic. You have this UNC toe box, the black toe guard, the white midsole, the blue outsole. You have the UNC blue panels, the black swoosh, the black sock liner. Everything just feels nice. The leather quality does feel nice as well. I mean, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not the best, it's not the worst. It's okay, it's nice. Okay, it's the minimum we should be expecting from a Jordan 1 quality. You know, considering the price point that it's at the moment, it is a premium price in my opinion. And you know, I just think that we should be expecting a premium quality. But it's not always the case, unfortunately. We have been getting some bad quality ones in the past, especially this year. At the beginning of this year, the True Blues. I mean, that was just my personal opinion, but I didn't really like them. The quality was just not acceptable in my opinion. Now, these do come with an extra pair of laces, the UNC blue laces to be exact. But I'm considering swapping one out with the white ones that I have laying around. And I think it will just look a little bit better. But you know, we'll just see how it looks like. I'll keep one black and the other one white, just to compare, you know, just so you guys can have a look and see which one you like better. Fortunately, I hit a W on the sneakers app, which is quite rare. I'm gonna be honest, man, it's rare, especially for me. I've had instances where I've took an L and you know, I got back on the sneakers app and my size was there. So how the f do I take an L but my size is not sold out? You know, it's just, why? Am I doing something wrong? I mean, am I blacklisted on the sneakers app? Is that even possible? It's just a mystery, you know, that I can't seem to solve. But yeah, I mean, my account is just fucked at the moment. It's L's all over the place, nothing but L's. And this one is one of the very few W on the sneakers app. These actually remind me of the Obsidians a little bit. As you can see, I did put both on my feet just to compare, you know, the white laces with the black laces. But let me know, guys, you know, which one would you prefer? Which one would you wear? The black or the white ones? Or would you wear the blue ones? You know, I don't know. You might, you know, like the blue ones. But, you know, I'm not going to show them to you because I don't like them. But, you know, if you want to see them, let me know, man. You know, I can make it happen. I can make a short share a link with you guys. You know, on feet, they do look fantastic. They feel amazing. I know it's just a Jordan 1. I know they're all the same. But, you know, when you have a nice colorway on your feet, when you like the shoes, they feel a lot better. Comfort wise, it is a Jordan 1. Obviously, it is not the comfiest sneaker in the world, and they're not trying to be. But then again, that's nothing an insole can't fix. You know, you get yourself one of those gel ones, and you got yourself a Jordan 1 that you can wear all day, every day, you know. And this one in particular, man, this one is just, I don't know, man, there's something about this blue, man, something about this sneaker. I think they've done a fantastic job with this. I do like them a lot, and this is definitely going into the collection. You know, I did notice that they are sold out on most websites. I believe Nike has 1 or 2 sizes, I'm not sure, and the prices have increased ever so slightly. They are slightly above retail right now on eBay. On StockX, you can still grab them for a bargain. You know, when I say slightly above, I think they're going for like 200, 210, 220, something like that. On eBay, that is. But I have seen on StockX crazy money, man. Like, someone bought it for 170. Retail, fucking retail is at like 175. Someone actually sold these for 167, 168, and it is just crazy. Retail is at 175. Obviously, you're gonna have to pay some fees on top of that on StockX, but still a bargain in my opinion. And if you're after these, you know, it is the time. It is now. Now is the time, right? It's now or never. When the prices go up, and these will go up in my opinion, right? You know, you're gonna regret it, man, because the colorway, it is just, mwah, you know, like cream of the crop, cream of the crop type. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. It is just fantastic. It is a sneaker that I think, you know, that's again my personal opinion, I do think that everyone should have in their collection. It's a UNC colorway. Okay, I mean, what else do you want? And we've seen in the past, all the UNC colorways have done very well in terms of resale, holding their value. The quality, again, I want to point that out, is not the best. It is a Jordan 1 quality that I do like. I have seen a lot worse. You know, again, I want to go back to the True Blues, which I personally did not like a bit. It was just stiff. But these are nice, man. I mean, the toe box has a very soft, nice leather. The white panels are not too bad. The blue, you know, the UNC blues. But anyways, guys, that's it. That is it for today. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'd love to find out. And I will see you on the next one.